Hi everyone, my name is Arvinolano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but in today's video I am sharing 10 Ikea products that are surprisingly luxurious. I worked in luxury fashion for 6.5 years, so I'm naturally drawn to pieces that look high-end, look luxurious, and as a stylist, I immediately think of all the different ways I can make a certain item look even better. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with item number 1, which is the Stockholm coffee table. You guys, this item caught me by surprise. I was walking by showrooms and I saw like this really beautiful oblong-shaped coffee table and I was like, oh, what is that? Now, it is a walnut veneer, but it's a really beautiful finish. I thought it was real walnut. And this item is coming in at $249. And if you have that mid-century, even Scandinavian design style, you're gonna love this piece because of that rattan woven detail underneath. You can store some coffee table books, make it personalized, and you can keep like the upper part empty if you would like, but you can get a nice layered look with this item. It was also a really nice size. I was honestly shocked at the quality of this table because if you're into mid-century, you would know how expensive authentic mid-century pieces are, and for $249, you're getting a really good sized coffee table. Mid-century is a classic design style, so Stockholm is definitely high on my must-buy list. Item number 2 is the Gotad bar ceramic candle holder. This one is coming in at $4.99, and it's stunning, you guys. I actually didn't see this in person when I went, but I love like the organic shape of this piece, and the key to making it look luxurious is to buy a few. Buy like 4 or 5 and layer it on a console table for a moody, kind of vibey effect. And nothing screams more luxurious than having candle holders for a little tablescape moment. Actually, one of my favorite designers, Aina Calderon, for her Thanksgiving tablescape, she had a few of these that were from Crate & Barrel, but it looked so good, so luxurious. So go ahead and get a few of these. They have some really affordable candles at Ikea as well, and light them up at night. Don't wait for a special occasion. Do it for movie nights. Do it when you're having a casual dinner. I just love a good candle. I mean, hello. The next item that's surprisingly luxurious from Ikea is the Billy bookcase. Woo! I did not know that Billy was like such a cult favorite. According to Ikea, every 5 seconds, a Billy bookcase is sold somewhere in the world. My gosh, that is insane. The one that I particularly love is the black and brown wood veneer finish. Wow, you guys, this one in person looks stunning. What do luxury homes do with their bookcases? They display beautiful decorative items. I actually follow an amazing account on Instagram. I think it's My Cozy Corner. Her name is Eureka. She has these bookcases, if I'm not mistaken, in her living room, or actually it might be the brims. It looks so good styled in her home. She has that cozy kind of vibe and all the beautiful decorative elements that you can put inside. Woo! Actually, the best part to like personalize these bookcases is to switch out the hardware. Get this black bookcase with like a brass antique hardware. You guys, it's gonna look so good, so luxurious, and make sure you decorate the crap out of those bookcases. The key is to get some items that are like taking up most of the shelf. That way it doesn't look cluttered, and instead it'll look really curated and high-end. Moving on to item number 4, it's the Hilja Curtain. Now, last week I did a video of luxury bedroom designs, and one of the bedrooms has this sheer pleated curtains all over the room. The key to making these Ikea curtains look luxurious is to hang them up as high as you can. Hilja is 98 inches long. and 57 inches wide. Are you kidding? And it's $12.99 for a pair. It's a little bit sheer. So this is great if you're wanting more of that romantic, soft and flowy look. Get like 2 of them and bunch them up together to get that full pleated look. Actually, my curtains behind me is from Ikea. These are the Merit. I think I have 4 panels here to create like a really full effect because it's a great way to add a textural element into your home. And because Hilja is sheer, it's gonna look so dreamy, so luxurious, okay? And for $12.99, you guys, I'm about to use this in a little makeover video, okay? Stay tuned. I'm gonna be making over my mom's living room really soon, and I might just be using Hilja in that video. Moving right along to item number 5, we have the Aina linen pillow covers. Now, $9.99 for these pillow covers. They come in a variety of colors. My favorite is probably the light green, but there's a beige, there's a gray, there's even like a nice rose color, and a blue. These are all stunning colors for 2021. I believe this is a new product. It has like a really sweet tie detail in the back. So if you have kind of that cottage, almost farmhouse kind of look, traditional, you can have those ribbons exposed. Or if you don't, you can just have the plain cover in the front. Linen pillows are so expensive everywhere else. They could be like $200 a pillow, which is insane. We don't want to do that. I think these are 20 by 20, and they have some feather fill pillows as well. The trick is to buy a size up to make sure your pillows look really fluffy and luxurious. Get like a 22 by 22, even like 24 by 24. When it's feather fill, they're kind of just like really fluffy, so you just squish them until they fit inside these pillow covers. If you watched my video last week on how to decorate with neutrals, these colors, these earth tones, are a classic. You cannot go wrong. They're timeless. You can mix it in with some more ditzy printed pillows. It's gonna look so good, you guys. You're gonna get that amber and tears kind of look. Go for natural materials like cotton and linen because it's always gonna look a little more high-end. Okay, moving on to item number 6. It's the Baganas hardware cabinet pulls. These caught me by surprise, you guys. I was walking by the kitchen area and all the cabinetry, and these were like on the side, and I was like, hold on, what are those? And how much are they? $7 for a 2-pack. Whew! Now, I will say, stick with the black hardware or the silver and stay away from the gold kind of brass finish because that one looked really, really cheap. It looked like a laminate gold. No, we don't want that. But this classic black looks so luxurious. You cannot go wrong. It has a modern feel to it, but because of those little nubs at the end, it also has like a nice traditional element to this piece. I'm actually redoing my kitchen right now, and when I'm telling you hardware is so expensive, I had no idea hardware was so expensive until I started doing this kitchen project, so make sure you follow along. But for $7 for a 2-pack, wow. You can put these on your Billy bookcases or your Brimness bookcase. It's gonna look so good, you guys. Moving on to item number 7, it's the Grinsbin Chandelier. This Sputnik style actually kind of caught me by surprise. It's so nice. This one I did not see in person, but I was looking through the website because I love a good light fixture and I like things that are a little more unique and that has a lot of light payoff. Look at these. It has 13 arms. 13, okay? You're gonna get so much light payoff out of this baby, and it's $149. Sputnik chandeliers. I got a little fur on my lip. Sputnik chandeliers are a classic. It's a great way to add those like linear lines in a space. So if you have a modern home, mid-century, this is perfect. It's black, so it's gonna look a little more luxurious. The finish is really nice. If Grinsbin is not your thing, if you don't like that linear shape, I do also really like Tora red. I love a good rattan anything. To me, if you do it right, it could look really luxurious. I think they have 3 different sizes, and you guys, layer them. Get all 3 different sizes and put it in a bedroom, a living room, make it look super high-end. Oh, hello, marble. Moving on to item number 8, it's the Tonsata glass vase. Look at this floral arrangement. A good floral moment is always luxurious. You don't have to spend a ton of money. You can pick some florals from your garden, even just get some branches, some olive branches, and do a little arrangement. Fresh florals, to me, always feels like a designer touch, right? You don't have to wait for a special occasion. And get the Tonsata. I love this like kind of bubble effect. And for $19.99, it's a good size. It's coming in at like 11 inches. You can't go wrong. All right, item number 9 is Hvit. I couldn't do this video without talking about Hvit. I mean, she is amazing. Talk about a good selfie moment. It's so tall. It's $129. I mean, girl, if you live in a small space, mirrors are gonna be your best friend. I actually saw a photo on Instagram lately. I'm gonna see if I can find it, but it was a long hallway and each wall had a mirror. Ooh, talk about a hall of mirrors, honey. It looked so luxurious. It's gonna open up a space, make everything feel nice and bright. Oh, and if you like that restoration hardware vibe and you have that large bedroom, get the Hvit, put it behind your nightstand. Ooh, you guys, it's gonna look so, so good. You had me at Hvit. Item number 10 truly caught me by surprise. I was walking through the showroom and something at the corner of my eye just like, woo. And it was this dark, olive-colored, velvet Farlove armchair. Farlove is probably my favorite collection, but I've never seen it in this deep green velvet. It was so dreamy. If you like that moody, dark interior design, this velvet color was mwah, chef's kiss. It was so luxurious. The price point is definitely a little bit high. It's $4.99, and they do it in the sofa as well. You guys, wow. And the fabric actually, again, caught me by surprise. I think there's something to be said about velvet is it's a classic material, and if you do it right, if it's a nice, deep, like neutral color, you can't go wrong. All right, everyone, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and sound off in the comments down below if I should do more luxury IKEA videos just like this one. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.